Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to buy a NordVPN subscription. If you want to try NordVPN, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get an exclusive deal and discount for your VPN subscription. It is the easiest way to follow this tutorial and protect your devices with NordVPN today. Alright, again, maybe you've missed it. You can go ahead and scroll down, click on the link in the description or pinned comments, and then you'll be landed to the same exact page. Now, I'm currently using a NordVPN, and as you can see here, instead of using US dollars, it's currently showing me Japanese yen. So let me just go ahead and go back to United States right here. Wait for it to load. And then once done, I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page. And as you can see here, just as fast as that, we now have US dollars. Now, to go ahead and buy a NordVPN subscription, you can go ahead and click on Get NordVPN right here for this price only. And don't worry about discount codes, coupon codes, as it is already provided in the link, or it's tied in the link. So if you want to compare plans, we have a separate video for that. You can go ahead and check our channel out. But this time, go ahead and click on Get NordVPN. Let's say, for example, you wanted to use a 2 years plan. On your plan, you'll be able to save a ton of money. Now, for example, this one, go ahead and click on Get Basic, Complete, or Max. Let's say basic right here. Now, you'll be able to see a large amount of value because we have selected 2 years plan plus 3 extra months. Again, it will be $3.49 per month only. All right. So it says got a coupon. Well, you don't need to enter a coupon code, as again, it is tied in the link. When you go ahead and click on the link in the description or pinned comments. Now, in here, all you got to do is just enter your email address. And by the way, make sure that you type down your email address or the email address that you wanted to scan as well. As you can see here under NordVPN, when you go ahead over to apps, you can go ahead and click on Dark Web Monitor Pro, and you'll be able to see your password leaks. Believe me. I'm going to click on it just for you to see. All right. As you can see, we have these tons of login details. Now, if you go ahead and click on Review and Resolve, you'll be able to see your passwords linked to these accounts right here. And they will give you solutions such as changing your passwords and some other stuff. But let's just go ahead and go back. The plan that I got for me to be able to check my email security is the complete plan. All right. You won't have it under basic. So let's go back to payment, scroll down. You can add in a dedicated IP if you want to, add in incognito as well. Now scroll down, you can choose to use PayPal, your card, Google Pay, Cash App, or depending on your region, you'll be able to see a ton of payment options right here. You could also use cryptocurrency. And then once that's done, just click on Pay or Complete, all right? And once that's done, you're good to go. All you got to do next is just download the app. And if you don't know how to download the app, we have a separate video for that as well. Download it, then secure connection. And that's how easy it is to buy NordVPN subscription. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.